As you see here is a prize giving ceremony of 2011 in the year class for Basic Burma School. It is the day that we all have been waiting for. During 2010, I'll read out the program orders. First, we'll hear a welcome speech from the coordinator of Prospect Burma. Then we'll go for prize distributions. First, we'll give certificates to people who have completed their English course successfully. Then second, we'll go for completion. Then third, there will be awards from the students. If any students, then I invite the coordinator to speak the words.
The Prospect Burma School and the Bureau English Hane, Computer Netine, now at the Pinga year, take Piro Lunere, a two chairs for the community. So, see the time at Anua, the third country, the settlement go, watching chair. English Galatic Lure, English Galatic Lure. So, no John and Bro, English Gago, Financial, and the Congo. Now, John in the take choose up for good. This is so many on the side, push out and push it all the Kukado, Jonah, the senator, Charles Senator, put Vitara, Goose and Sea. Erasmi, Sulaga, Jonah, the Solomana, Pidarte, the Affiliate. Now the Kua, the Nalamaka, just look at it. Just a yellow this way, Jonah in the Satu. After that, to get choose on the rock, no one later. Erasmi, the Rudia, Jordan, the Stabby, Lucia Loga, and Loha, the Rook, the man in a pizza, the Tom, who, Namia on Loop, Ali on Pio on Loop, Rosia on, Tom Alu, Sisi Logan, Kudero, Sushi Sasa, Lucia on, Sisi.
Now is the time we give prize for the 2010 basic class, those who have completed basic class in English. So I'll read out your name and please come and collect your certificate.